My dear friends, welcome to this lesson. Today we're going to talk about tiramisu, such a very popular dessert, Italian dessert that we're going to make without eggs, without dairy, of course, no gluten, no soy and no refined sugar. Moreover, in this lesson I will show you how to make this recipe without any coconut ingredients, so we are not going to use coconut oil, and I know a lot of you asked me about oil-free desserts, and also I will give you the recipe how to sweeten this cake with only dates. So we are not going to add any maple or honey or agave nectar, nothing. However, I will give you the option with a liquid natural sweetener as well. So just imagine that we're going to make such popular Italian dessert without honestly everything. And if you have little kids like toddlers or those kids or your family members who are caffeine intolerant or kids don't need to consume coffee, I will give you the options how to avoid coffee and make this cake more chocolate. So this is one of my probably the most delicious cake. It is not baked, it is raw, but it's not a typical cashew cake that you can expect. The texture is completely different. It is like a not souffle. I will not be talking about the texture. You will see it, you will try it, and you will understand how different this raw cake from any other cashew-based raw dessert. What else I want to mention? I made this cake many years ago when I started my business in 2016. It was one of the first my recipes, and it was loved by so many my customers. And before this lesson, this recipe was available only for my students of fundamental course, my big signature 4-week fundamental course that cost from $600 till $750, and I know that a lot of my followers, a lot of my friends asked me about this recipe, and only now, exclusively for you, limited time, this recipe will be available for sales. And once the sales will be closed, this recipe again will be available only as a part of fundamental course. But let's start with tiramisu. See how it is amazing and easy to make, see how it is healthy and delicious. Enjoy it, and please, if you have a cake store, I highly recommend you to offer this cake for sales, because it has an extraordinary taste and it is very allergy friendly. So thank you for being with me, and let's get started.